Legacy Flat Roofing Sheet Metal. We're here today in central London. We are working on a century home, beautiful home, great clients, wonderful to work with. We are doing the flat roof at the back. So the existing roof was a 2-ply mod bit. It's dry, ready to go. We put a new substrate on top of that, an asphaltic board, fasten that down, give us a new 2-ply system to adhere well to. We'll show you what it looks like. Thanks a lot. Hey, welcome back. So we came up on top of the roof. You can see we fastened a new substrate. So the old roof was in good shape. One of the benefits of 2-ply modified bitumen is that you can go on top. This one was a little bit alligator, so we didn't want to adhere right to that. So we put a new substrate. Now the new roof is going to be adhered to what we put down. We are ready to go. We cleaned it, so now we're just going to put a primer. This activates the glue at the back of the base sheet. It's a 2-ply system. This is the first layer. So we're going to roll this out and get the new 2-ply base sheet on. I'm sure it looks like once we do that and put some drip flashing. Thanks. Hey, welcome back. We finished doing most of the roof. We just wanted to show you what kind of the system looks like. So you saw the substrate board get fastened down, and then we put a base sheet, and then we have a drip flashing going around the outside, and then the new cap sheet membrane. This is the detail you want to make sure the water sheds properly over your roof. You don't want cap sheet and then metal, so this is the way you want a system. We have base sheet flashing on the brick wall attached to the house, and we have some detail work to do. We're going to use a welder to fuse the membranes together. Show you what it looks like. Hope you like it. Thanks a lot. Legacy Flat Roofing Sheet Metal. We finished the job. Job turned out wonderful. Again, we had a great client. I'm sure the client's gonna be thrilled. We took an old roof that was past its life cycle and gave it a brand new roof. 20 odd years in Canada. You should expect to get a life cycle out of roof. There you go. We put a 2-ply modified bitumen roof system. It's a peel and stick, safe for the home, safe for the homeowner, less chance of causing damage. So there you go. Take a look. Yeah, job turned out wonderful. If you are in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.